Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. We have found a wonderful addition to our home with this beautiful Keystone Peak fire pit. It is magnificent. We enjoyed having s'mores on this fire pit inside the house without any scent of smoke on our clothes. How amazing is that? I love the elegant design. It's even larger than most, 11 inches in size. With stones surrounding the fire, I think it looks so beautiful. I enjoy using it outside to have my morning coffee with the birds, and it's very relaxing for the living room as a beautiful warm centerpiece. It's amazingly simple to use. I find regular alcohol is handy and convenient for me in our house. Everyone is impressed how easy it is to have an awesome, decorative, and functional fire pit right in your living room. I have even taken it with me to have s'mores at friends' houses. Personally, I like using the wick burn cup. It seems to make the fire last longer. Being made of concrete, this is a good heavy weight, so the felt pad is a great feature and a must. I love using this Keystone fire pit inside my house and outside. I know you will too, and that's my point of view.